Hello, Abigail. It's your Lola Josie. Happy 18th birthday, Abigail. Time flies so fast, and you grow so fast. I remember when you, mom and dad sent your first baby pictures to me. You are so adorably cute, and now they look at you. You turn in a beautiful girl that now entering adulthood. All I wish for your birthday is to stay good as you are a kind daughter and artist to your siblings. So may God always bless you and He may always be with you. And most of all, may all your wishes will come true. Always take care of yourself and always here for you, Abigail.